Wonderful chance to first of all good evening my respected sir and
Good evening, good evening, good
sir.
evening.
My name is Samarth Yadav. I read class at I belong to Mirzapur. So today I will speak about my DPS classes. So first of all my coaching name is DPS classes. It's situated in Suklahar on Mirzapur and my coaching runs in two time morning and evening, and my coaching morning timing is 7 to 8:30 and evening timing is 5 to 6:30. And in my DPS classes also provided me grammar classes, and also my DPS are providing me one hour for grammar classes. And in my DPS classes director name is Mr. DPS sir. He is always motivated me for my English spoken, and he is also motivate me for my English spoken, and he is also teach me new things, provide me new materials, provide me new classes. Just like in one day my DPS are provided me practice classes, teaching classes, and in teaching my DPS are provided me many types of just like framing, part of speech, many types provide me classes. And in practice classes my DPS have provided me half hour communications classes and 15-minute debate and 15-minute presentations classes, and it is very enough for my English spoken, because at this time I am everywhere habitual. I have much more idea for presentations, so I speak front of public, because some persons are fear for public. Every person not come on podium and not raise hand because they have fear available. I go on podium and I forget for my topic. So my according this, it is not important. You control yourself and you come on podium and you speak some lines, but you speak. And my DPS sir also provided me grammar classes, and in grammar classes my DPS sir tell me what is the importance of grammar and how to read grammar, what is meaning of grammar. And at this time I am student of grammar classes, and I very easily understand my DPS sir word, because my DPS sir teaching style is very good, and I do practice with my DPS sir, so I very easily understand what is meaning of grammar and what is grammar. And many persons attend grammar classes, and they are also very easily understand what is meaning of grammar. And I am also student of English spoken classes, and at this time in my DPS classes my completed 3.5 months, and at this time my experience is very good, because in my DPS classes my completed 3.5 months. At this time I have much more experience for my English spoken. I go on podium, I speak very much more time. It is very enough for my English spoken, and at this time my health is also very good, and I speak very front of publics. And at this time my communication skills are very good, because my DPS has also provided me 30-minute communications classes. So at this time I improve my English language very fast. And in my DPS classes also very come award function, and every person attend all award function. And in award function my DPS will also provide many types of award, just like all the best award, first winner, second winner, third winner. Many types of award provide me my DPS sir, and it is depend for your level. Your level is very good, so you take all the best of it, first winner, second winner, third winner. And in my DPS also have many senior students available. Just like in last year in my DPS classes first award winner is Alok Bhaiya. He is also very good student in my DPS classes. And all the best student is Sunil Bhaiya. He is also very good student in my DPS classes, and he is sometimes come my DPS classes, and he is also give me direction for my English spoken, how to read English spoken and what is meaning of English spoken. And my DPS classes is very good platform for English spoken, because in my DPS classes all facilities are just like 25 table chairs and available, and whiteboard available, podium available. It is very enough for my English spoken, because with whiteboard my DPS are provided me teaching. I very easily understand what my DPS are say me, and my DPS are teaching style is also very good. And with podium I speak front of public, and with table chairs I am comfortable, and I do practice with my peers. And my DPS classes is very good platform for English spoken. Many students come on my DPS classes and speak front of public, and my DPS classes is very good platform. That's all. Sorry for my mistakes.